Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 22nd of April 2024. The day is Monday, first trading day of the week. I welcome you. My name is Rakesh. I'm not an employee of Dukas Copy. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm an independent trader and analyst, and I'll be sharing with you my key levels for all the major instruments like Forex majors, gold, Brent crude, Bitcoin, etc. Okay. So please stick with me for next 20 to 30 minutes so that we can have our weekly levels on our charts from where the price can reverse or from where we can actually set up a trade. Now this is not a trading advice, so please do your research before you put your money on the line. I'm only giving you levels here. I'm not asking you to take trades on them. Okay. Now that is purely your own discretion. As a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll not talk about anything like any speech or any news or analysis that is coming into the outer world. Okay, now in this program I'll be only using the candlesticks in my charts so that we do not get distracted in any of the indicators or so. We'll only using candlesticks and try to decipher the price action based on lines and all. Okay, now before I begin, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first, please. Please understand this risk that is associated while you trade Forex on margin. Pause the video here if you want, and then only hop onto the charts when you have understood the risk that is associated. Now the first things first. What is this? This is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Okay. Because we are going to talk about the Forex, so we need to know what is happening in the US dollar. Okay. From this chart, this is the daily chart. You can somehow just by taking a glimpse of it, you can see that the price is trying to go higher and higher and higher. Okay. So I can say safely that the price is trying to make higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now this will be an established low if the price breaks above this high. Okay, if it breaks above this high, then this will be an established low. Till the time this is not established as a low, which is the established low? This one. Okay, so if I have to ask you that draw the market structure over here, how will you draw? Low, high, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. It will be if there is a high. So till the time there is no low over here, how it will be? It will be like this. Okay, so I hope you understand this part. Now you see every low that I have created here, they have a higher high than them. Okay, so that's why these lows are established. So if I have to ask you when the market structure will shift, now the market structure will shift if the price trades below 103.62. So that means we will become sellers in the US dollar if the price breaks below 103.62. But if it keeps rising, then we will be bullish on this one. To what extent? 106.96, which is the next level of resistance. So if you have to keep two levels on your charts, which two levels you will keep? One is 106.96, second is 103.62. Then what is all this? Remove them. Do not keep any distraction on your chart. Now this is a potential support, so I will keep this. Why? Because if the price breaks higher than this previous high, then this will become my valid support area. Okay, so that's why. So let's see what is happening in the pound. Is very bearish. I think we have discussed about this, and even I have mentioned the targets of 1.2187 in this one in the last summary of my Friday. I think Friday is yeah, on Friday I suggested that the pound is going to go and make lower lows. Now 1.2187 is the next level, and below that we will have 1.2037 open for this market. Now if any rise is there from here, the price can actually break at 1.2484. I mean, it can stop here or halt here and then come back down. Now this is not a very critical level now, but yes, 1.2484 is the resistance on the upside. The support is 1.2187. You can keep these levels on your charts. Okay, these are very important levels. Now see, the price is breaking through the low of the falling channel. When the low of a falling channel is broken, it is seen as extremely bearish. It is not bearish, it is extremely bearish. So any rise from here should be sold with a target of 1.2187 in the future. Euro on the similar lines. See, euro also broken through this falling channel. Now that channel's support line is acting as a resistance. See, so that's why we were expecting some price action like this. But anyways, I am bullish on the euro. Why I am bullish on the euro? Because it has broken the market structure here and is trying to take support here at the lower levels. All right, so where is it going? Well, we have expected it to go to 1.0885, but a strong US dollar is not letting the euro to rise from here. So let's see how the things unfold in the future. But till the time the price is not trading below 1.0601 on the euro, I'm not going to sell this market again. This will be bullish. Okay, so keep an eye on that. What about the Australian dollar? Although it has not broken higher, but yes, if the price trades above 0.64569, let's see how the price traded today. The high was 0.64559, just beneath this high. Now, if the price trades higher than this, then we can say, okay, the sellers are out of the market and the buyers have taken over. But till the time the price is trading below 0.6456, we cannot say that. Okay, so for us, the two levels of importance is 0.6362 and 0.64569. Now, till the time the price is trading below this, we are not buying the Australian dollar. We are only looking for the selling opportunity. So keep an eye on these two levels on the charts. New Zealand dollar, similar condition like the Australian dollar. It has not been able to break through 0.5933, which is the downswing pivot. When the downswing pivot breaks, we can look for the buying opportunities. But right now, we are looking for only selling opportunities in this one also, with the support around 0.5852 and the zone of resistance around 0.5933. Now, if the US dollar has to reverse from here, say to the downside, then I think the New Zealand dollar and the Australian dollar will be going up. Otherwise, there is no chance. Now, talking about the USD CHF, it is consolidating a lot in this zone of 0.9113 area. Although it went down for a day and made an intraday low of 0.9010 on 18th of April, but failed to stay there and came back inside this range. Now, if I remove this triangle and if I make a rectangle, you will understand that this is a very small range from where the price, this is a very small range where the price is staying. Okay, and you see the bodies of the candles, so the price is not ready to go outside this range, and once this range breaks, then I think there will be an explosive move to the other side. Now that at the side, as per my expectation, is 0.9245, because from the fundamentals point of view also, I'm bearish on the Swiss franc, and the US dollar I'm bullish because of the risk that is associated in this market and whatever is going on in the world. So I'm expecting USD CHF to rise in the coming time. 0.9245 is the upside target for me, and if it trades below 0.8996, then I'll be looking for the selling opportunities in this one. USD CAD, clearly there is a breakdown in the market structure, and now let look for 1.3725 to act as a resistance if the price starts rising from here, and the next level of support is 1.3620. USD JPY is trying to break out further to the upside, has made a higher high 154.84 today, but yes, there is no go for the bulls to the upside till now. 159.88 is actually the level that I'm looking for. On the downside, I'm expecting a support at 151.97, but still, since the price has made a higher high now, so in the market structure, this will be our area of support. So we'll make it like this. So when the price breaks below 153.58, we will become sellers in this market. Talking about the New Zealand CAD, this is the daily chart. New Zealand CAD has already, I think, not taken the targets, almost has taken the target. 0.8065 is the first target for this one. Below this, the target of 0.7961 will be open, but till the time the price is trading above 0.8065, we can only target 0.8065. Now the market structure is bearish in this one also. I think we should be looking for the buying opportunities only above 0.8248 in this one. Bitcoin on the 4-hour, it was bearish. I think now on the 4-hour it is bullish. Let's see. Yeah, on the 4-hour now the price has turned into bullish market structure. Above 66921, I think it will turn bullish on the daily also. Yeah, above 66921, if the price trades above that, then it will be bullish on the Bitcoin, with the target, with the first target is 72,777 in this market. The support will turn to this low, which is 59,638. Brent, any rise is being sold off. So today there was no rise. I think the price is looking for a cue from tomorrow's news or whatever. But right now there's no trading, very less volumes today. But any rise to the level of 88.75 should be seen as a selling opportunity with the target of 84.61 in the downside. Gold also consolidated for a long time. Now it is on the lower level of the support which we have marked 23, 24.52. Now if the price trades below this, then I'll be looking for the selling opportunities in the gold, and if it trades higher than 24.2431, then I'll be looking for the buying opportunities. In between this range, I will not be doing anything with the gold. There's no possibility of obtaining profits from this range, and there's no certainty also where the price is going from here. Japanese index, well, we had marked these highs in the past, from where we can say, we said that there is a possibility of the price stopping here for some time. And yeah, I think it can go towards 38,278 or maybe 38,093 before going down, although it looks like, yeah, I think we can only say when the price trades near to 38 to 78 how it behaves there. If it gives a close above 38 to 78, then I think we should be looking for buying it. And if it gets rejected from there, then we can look for 35,676 in this market. Euro JPY consolidating above 165.34 is a buy, below 162.27 is a sell. So till the time the price is consolidating, I'm not doing anything in this. Like I have rightly marked it as a cross. Do not trade this market. It is not worth trading right now. GBP is a big short. Short. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I think we have discussed it when we saw this bearish engulfing. I said that any rise towards 1.9313 should be seen as a selling opportunity. We sold off only in 2 days to 1.9116. Any close below this, or even any trade below 1.9116, will open up the way for 1.8590. Why? Because I'm very bearish on the Great Britain pound and I'm bullish on the Australian dollar, and it looks like that the price is matching all these pairs, and anything below 1.9116 will open up the way for 1.8590. Keep that in mind. CHF JPY, we are bearish on this one, but the Japanese yen is going weaker and weaker daily. So there's a probability that the CHF JPY, which is the weakest pair CHF, weakest currency CHF, will also rise towards 171.82. It looks to me now like that. Even the price action is also confirming that there is a huge volume at this green candle. Then there is a follow-up, and there is a follow-up today also. But I think we will not be looking for any buying opportunity below 170.79 because the market structure is bearish. Till the time the price doesn't break above 170.79, the market structure will not break to the upside. Or New Zealand, I think this pullback will be over around 1.0844. Now this small pullback on the daily that the price is creating right now, this will be over when the price breaks out of this, and when it breaks out, then the next resistance is 1.1069. but on the way up there is a weekly and monthly trend line that is passing through this area, so be cautious about this I have created by joining these highs at around on 18th February and around 14th of June, 14th or 15th of June. So please be cautious about that. The resistance, the horizontal level of resistance is 1.0971, and the horizontal support may be seen around 1.0844. Also notice that's on the way down. The price has broken through this upswing pivot. Now when the upswing pivot breaks, we start selling the market, but the problem here is that there is a broken resistance in the past, so that can act as a support and the market structure can break again to the upside. That is what I am suggesting here. Euro CHF, we don't have anything to talk about that. So if there is any question, please feel free to ask me that in the chat box. I'll be very happy to answer. If no questions, I would like to wrap up this session. All right, guys, I see no questions popping up. I hope you know about the next level of support and resistance that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you is that just risk 1% or less of your capital on any one trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. How you can do this? You can do this by adjusting your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1%. Now with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published, and you can subscribe to the channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.